Hi, I'm Ty. You're watching Osmo Mobile Tutorials. Well, you'll learn how to get the most out of your device. Are you wondering about the epic camera moves you can achieve with the Osmo Mobile? Let's check out a few. Raising and lowering. Start low or high on your subject and move the camera gently in the opposite direction without tilting. Horizontal. Move sideways through your environment. As long as you keep the camera at the same height, it will look as if you are ghosting through the area. Ramp up the difficulty by moving in a circle around your subject for an even more dynamic shot. Tilting. As simple as it sounds, tilt your phone up or down, and the Osmo Mobile will keep your motion nice and smooth. Follow and lead. Follow your subject from behind, moving forward with them as they walk, or move backward as your subject comes towards you, keeping the camera pointed at them. Push in. Start from a distance and walk towards your subject. Keep them in the same position within your frame. Pull out. Start close to your subject and move away, revealing the world around them. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Osmo Mobile tutorials.